When it comes to online dating, Bumble is hard to beat. As one of the most popular ways to meet people online, Bumble offers similar swiping gestures that other major dating apps like Tinder have, while also adding in exclusive features. That includes friends-only matching and having women make the first move in heterosexual matches, making it one of the most welcoming dating apps available today. Of course, not every match is made in heaven, and if you're trying to figure out whether you've been unmatched, you've come to the right guide. Losing contact with a match doesn't automatically mean you've been unmatched. After initially matching, Bumble sets a timer for 24 hours for the woman to make a first move. If she doesn't message at all, the match automatically expires and will delete itself from your matches without a trace. If the other person deletes their account, you'll still be able to view your conversation on Bumble, though the username will appear as deleted account. If you've been unmatched, however, Bumble will gray out the chat and let you know. This is a new feature rolling out to allow the unmatched person to report the unmatcher for misbehavior. To do this, just open the grayed out chat, tap on Help, then tap on Report. Choose one of the reasons on the list. Once you're done, just tap or click on Submit Report. If you're the person looking to unmatch with someone, it's easy. On the app, you can do this by opening the conversation you have with them, tapping the triple dotted icon in the top right, then tapping on Unmatch. If you're using Bumble Web, the process should be the same. If you've unmatched with someone accidentally, don't worry. Unmatching a user leaves the possibility of seeing them listed as a potential match open, though it may take a while. If a match made you feel unsafe or uncomfortable, you can choose the block and report option from the same menu. If you like this guide, make sure you subscribe for all sorts of videos covering Bumble and other technology. And don't forget to check out one of these videos we think you might enjoy.